Dr. Rituparna Das. Currently, I am attached to Manipal Broadway hospitals. Today, I'll be talking about frozen shoulder or shoulder pain. This is a problem where you are unable to lift your hand up. This is because there is a capsule inside our shoulder joint which gets adhered and you are unable to move your hand. Here comes the part of the pain management. We actually give an injection inside the shoulder joint and we just hydrodilate the capsule, as a result of which you can again move your hand, and the pain is subsided by giving some blocks by radiofrequency ablation, where we block the nerve of your shoulder in and around your shoulder, so the pain signals are also decreased. So in future, if you are not going through these procedures, you might land up into some surgeries. So for preventing your surgery, you have to be cautious and you have to go to a pain physician for the early diagnosis and management of this problem.